everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a video on Google Meet. If you'd like to share a video with your participants, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by going to your Google Meet website. Open up a web browser and go to meet.google.com and search. Make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account, and once you are, start off a new meeting by clicking on the new meeting button and click on start an instant meeting to start a meeting right now. Also open up a new tab over here and go ahead and simply play the video that you'd like to stream on your meeting. Let me go to YouTube and simply get ready the video that you'd like to use. Go ahead and add people on your meeting by selecting the add other option. Send in the invitation to one of the contacts. Now once the participants join in your meeting, click on the share button at the bottom of the screen, and now click on one of the options displayed on the pop-up. Since I've opened up the video in a new tab, let me click on a tab option and select the video that I'm going to share and click on share. Once you do that, simply play your video like you normally do, and that way you'll be able to play a video in Google Meeting with the participants that has joined in the meeting. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.